Okay, I look like a hot mess this morning, but there's a blanket that I want in Target. And y'all, I've never been to a super Target. Have you guys? I want a blanket and probably some pantuflas, some slippers and stuff. So also there's a freaking Bath and Body Works like right next door to this Target, which I didn't know Bath and Body Works had their own thing. You know, I always thought it'd be in the mall. Sorry, I'm looking for my keys. I gotta lock my car and stuff. I was gonna record me getting ready this morning, but yeah, literally all I'm wearing is black leggings, some white tennis shoes, and yeah, this. Super Target. And then Ross, and then Bath and Body Works is like in between. So let's go find this blanket because I need this blanket. It's black and cream and pretty, and it says it's the last one. So let's see. I got the blanket. This is what it looks like. It's reversible, so you can use it both ways. And it's an extra 10% off too. So I'll let you show you guys when I get home and stuff. I would have showed you like all the other stuff that they have. There's a worker there and I feel a little odd recording it, but look how cute. They have all these slippers, all the pantuflas and stuff. And I'm getting me a pair of these. And I'm surprised that I'm fitting a size 7-8, but they fit really good. So that is what I'm getting right here. And they're only 14 bucks, so that's not bad. And then this blanket should be 29 bucks. At least that's what it says online. So almost done. I'm getting out of breath. This is me. My OOTD. I found this cute hat. I think it's cute. Only if my hair was done and stuff. But they have so many hats here too. This is $14.99. Let me show you all the other cute hats that they have here. These are so cute. I'm actually obsessed with this one. Y'all, I am out of breath, tired, feel like I look like a mess. But I got my stuff. I'm super excited. I got some new slippers and stuff that have like memory foam in it and stuff. The blanket, I did go to self-checkout and it didn't give me like the full discount. Like online it said $29.99. So just to give you guys a heads up, if you find it online, or I'm so out of breath, if you find it online for cheaper, or like Amazon or whatever, Target does price match. You just have to ask them. So instead of paying $39.99, pay $29.99. So to me that was a good deal, and I can't wait to use this throw and stuff. I actually have an idea because I'm actually going to take this to the hospital. Since it's like black and like has brown colors and stuff, I want to put it in the baby's little like what do you call it? Oh my god. The acrylic bassinet that they have at the hospital, and then put his name and all that stuff and how much he weighs is my idea. And then like I'll just like use it or whatever probably afterwards, and like when I go home and stuff, just so I can be warm, because it has been pretty cold out here and stuff once you go outside. So I just need to go home and wash it and stuff. That way, like with throw blankets and stuff, I would always recommend to wash them because damn, my lips is hella chapped. My bad, guys. But yeah, I would recommend washing them because they do shed. Like you can see my leggings and stuff. It's not too bad with that material that I bought, but I would still wash them. So yeah, pretty much spent my little coin that I made. I did someone's makeup and stuff and made a little bit of money off of that. So pretty much have everything ready for the baby. I think these were just like the last two items for me. So I'm feeling like content. I feel like a sense of relief. Like last night, me and my husband, well, I pretty much like was like the director of like where things should go. Like the artwork on the wall and stuff, like I'll move it down, like, you know, bossing him around or whatever. But after that went up, I felt like a sense of like relief. Is that something that you guys have gone through, any of my pregnant mamas or any mamas? Like when you're putting the nursery together and like getting everything, and it's like finally the way you want it to look and stuff, and you just get that relief. That's how I'm feeling. So yeah, we just a couple more weeks. Today I'm just gonna go home, and like this super Target, like who I didn't know there was a freaking super Target, so that's new to me. But this is like 20 minutes away from my house, so I'm just gonna probably go home, chill out. I have a doctor's appointment at 12:30. Thank God it's like 5 minutes from my house and stuff, but I'll be there for like 20 minutes because we're doing the monitor stuff, the non-stress test. I always forget, stress test, non-stress test, and see if I'm like contracting and stuff. Maybe I'll try to record a little bit of that, but I'm not really supposed to be recording in there. But I'll try to get a little bit, see if I can see any contractions or like happening and stuff, and I have to press the button on how many times baby boy is moving. So all right, I'm gonna get off of here and I see you guys in a little bit. So I'm walking to my doctor's office. I'm already like 4 minutes late. I like stayed in bed after I got home from Target and stuff. So yeah. Big old belly. Well, just got out of my doctor's appointment. Definitely contracting. So that's like, this is like the highest I've seen, like the number of my contractions go up. Like the highest number was like 66 and stuff. I'll insert a little clip. I was able to record everything, like the monitor and all that stuff. So yeah. Then your girl is over here just gaining all this weight. I weighed 154 last week. Now I weigh 159. That's okay. So far the doctor hasn't said anything to me or anything like that about gaining too much too fast or whatever. But because I guess I'm supposed to only be gaining like 2 pounds. I did eat kind of good last week, so yeah. So next Monday, now they want me to go to the hospital. So I don't know if it's because like their computers weren't like really, sorry, their computers weren't working or whatever. So now I have to, ooh, bad angle. Oh shit. I have to go to the labor and delivery and do my non-stress test there instead of coming here. But I do have a doctor's appointment Wednesday here, so there's that. But so far so good. I'm gonna head home. Hopefully my blanket is done drying so I can show you guys that and chill out the rest of the day because I'm not feeling so well. Kind of like feeling like under the weather and stuff. So yeah, I need to relax. All right, I'll see you guys. Ooh, I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, y'all, so I don't know where I pretty much left off, but I'm home and stuff, and I wanted to show you my blanket that I got at Target, and my new slippers, and then I'll pretty much just close out the vlog here because I'm just gonna eat and relax and stuff. And I just took a little medication, like a little Tylenol, since I'm not feeling so well, and it's pretty much the only thing I can take. So I haven't had Tylenol in like months, but really needing it today since I'm not feeling the best and feeling like I have a fever and stuff. So doctor said I can take that. But let me show you my pantuflas, my slippers. So okay, yeah. So oh, I feel like it's showing up a different color in the light. Let me see. Okay, this is much better. So I got these slippers. This is the brand that they have at Target, and they're memory foam, $14.99. And I am obsessed. Definitely going to be packing these in my hospital bag and stuff. So I'm pretty much going to wear these for maybe a few more days or so. I do have another pair of slippers, but they are definitely not as comfortable as these. And then this is the throw blanket that I got in black. It looks so nice, and then it's reversible as well, so you can use it both ways. And the white kind of cream color in the inside, super soft. Got this for $29.99. So I am obsessed with it. I already washed it and everything, so yeah, it's so soft. So I am so happy with this find. Been finding everything at Target and stuff. So yeah, you guys go to Target, look online, find their specials and stuff. Find their specials and stuff, because like you can find so much stuff on the Target website, and then go to the store, or it'll tell you if it's in stock or not. And they do price matching, price matching. I'm pretty sure I said that before, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys here. I'm in the nursery right now, but I'm gonna eat some food. Here's a belly update. Today, I am 36 weeks, so this is my 36-week belly. So, yeah, got 4 weeks to go left. 4 weeks left to go until we meet our little guy. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see him and like see like his personality and who he's gonna look like and stuff. But yeah, I will see you guys either on the next vlog or next video and stuff. And hope you guys have a good day wherever you are and whatever time it is. And see you guys on the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We have officially hit 400, and I'm super excited. It's always like a little milestone once we, you know, hit a new number and stuff. So yeah, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so when I post, you guys will be notified when there's a new video posted from me. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.